Developing an app isn't just about writing code. It's about using the right platforms to streamline your workflow. Today, I'll walk you through essential tools that make hosting, testing, deploying, and integrating payments easy for beginners. These are platforms that every developer should know but are rarely talked about in depth. Let's jump right in. First up is GitHub. It's not just a place to store your code, it's a collaboration hub and a treasure trove of resources for developers. Here's why GitHub is a must-have. Version control. Keep track of every change in your code so you can experiment without losing progress. Collaboration. Work with teammates through pull requests and issue tracking. Open source. GitHub is packed with open source projects you can legally clone, study, and use for your apps. Just ensure you follow the project's license terms. Pro tip. Search for repositories with MIT, Apache, or GNU licenses. They often allow you to build upon them. Once your app is ready, you'll need a platform to host it. That's where Render comes in. It's a beginner-friendly hosting platform that makes deployment fast and simple. Here's how Render works. Link your GitHub or GitLab repository to Render. Render automatically detects your app and sets up the environment for you. Your app goes live with just a few clicks. It's great for hosting web apps, APIs, and even databases. Plus, Render offers free plans for small projects, making it perfect for beginners. Have you ever built an app locally and struggled to share it for testing? That's where Ngrok shines. Ngrok creates a secure, public link to your local app, so you can test webhooks or show your app to a client in real time. Let me break this down. Install Ngrok. Once your app is running locally, for example, on localhost 3000, open Ngrok and type ngrok http 3000. Generate a public URL. Ngrok gives you a public link that securely routes traffic to your local server. Now, what are webhooks and why are they important? Webhooks allow apps to send automated messages or data to other apps. For example, when someone makes a payment on your app, the payment gateway sends a webhook to your server to confirm the transaction. Ngrok helps you test this by making your local app accessible to receive and process these webhook requests, simulating real-world conditions. This saves you from deploying your app prematurely and ensures everything works as intended. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly cloud platform, Google Cloud Console is a fantastic choice. It provides everything you need to take your app to the next level without feeling overwhelming. Key features include hosting web apps and APIs, real-time databases like Firestore, Google OAuth credentials. Set up Google sign-in for your app so users can log in with their Google accounts, a must-have feature for modern apps. Google Cloud Console offers free credits for beginners, so you can explore and experiment without breaking the bank. Let's talk about payment integration. Whether it's an e-commerce app or a subscription service, you need a way to handle payments. Stripe is one of the easiest and most developer-friendly platforms for this. Here's why Stripe is perfect for beginners. Easy to follow documentation and SDKs for various programming languages. Built-in testing environments so you can simulate transactions before going live. Simple setup for features like one-time payments, subscriptions, and refunds. Once you've integrated Stripe, your app is ready to accept payments worldwide. These tools are game changers for building apps, even if you're just starting out. They simplify hosting, testing, deployment, and integration, so you can focus on what matters, creating great software. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite development tool? Until next time, happy coding.